Hello and welcome to the training on how to update your system here at Texas One Auto Finance LLC. Now the purpose of this video is so I can walk you through and show you how simple it is to actually update your entire inventory. Now just a few things I want to go ahead and touch base with now is right here we have latest listings. This will post 3 of the latest listings, and if you have specials it'll post it either above or below this area, and you'll have 3 which will fill in all this space. Now just like most auto dealers are going to have specials and you're going to be updating your inventory all the time, this keeps your inventory fresh on your homepage so at any time your customers can view it. Now how do you update the system? Now if you've gotten to this video, then you've already resized your photos. You know that you need to prep your photos. The purpose of prepping your photos is to make sure that when you take a picture of a vehicle on a digital camera, it could be anywhere from 3 to 5 megabytes, and you definitely don't want a file that large loading. So we have provided the software for you to resize your photos prior to uploading to the website, and it's quite simple and only takes a minute or 2 to do for an entire folder. Now, to access, just simply down here on your footer link, you see administration. Now go ahead and use the username and password that we provided for you. Okay, now this is your home screen. Now all these links that you see here, when you log in after you start doing this, you're going to have statistics here, you're going to have active listings, hidden listings, all this other great information. Now the primary thing that you're going to want to do is create a listing or categories. Now, okay, I just clicked listing. You can also click it here and it takes you to this. Now this is to add a new listing. This is to edit an existing listing. So once you create a listing and you want to go in and revise it, say you want to change a bit of a description, you want to change any aspect whatsoever, you just click here. You can search by the make. All the listings will appear below this. Or, okay, for now, for example, let's just say I entered one. The only one that's available is Audi because that's what I entered, even though it's not an Audi vehicle. Just click locate listing. There you have it. You can edit or delete it there. So let's go back to listing. Now if you have the stock number, say you have like 20 Fords and you don't want to search for it, you can type in the stock number and it'll locate it instantly. So for now, click listing, and right now we have programmed automobile. I can show you how to edit that in a moment, but for now let's just click select. Now all this information right here is going to appear. Now this display listing, yes or no? This basically means that you want it to display on the website. Now here's the status. It's either available, it's pending, or it's sold. And this will display on the website as well. Now you have the category new or used. Just like you have here. Of course, most of the time it's going to be used, and this one's automatically select used. So stock number, I'm just going to type in some numbers, and so we're going to do a Ford Mustang. I'm simply doing it on my keyboard. If you push F or whatever, it'll take you to it, but you can click the drop down and find it if it's quicker for you. So I'm just going to type in Mustang. So this, I'm just going to go through this. You can type in the VIN number, let's just say, and the price is, and your sale price is this. And all this stuff is quite simple, self-explanatory. You've got the interior color. We'll just do black on black. And this is your description. You can type in, excuse me, I'm hitting things on my keyboard here. You can type in, whatever description it is that you want. Just select the doors, engine, all this stuff is quite simple. It's as simple as, clicking the button. Now here you see add listing and go to manage images. So let's go ahead and select this. Now it automatically inputs the information and it takes you to the image file. Now if you read this, only JPEG images will be resized. So like most digital cameras, it automatically saves it as a JPEG file rather than any other file. So for now, let's just locate where I have a Mustangs folder here. Here it is. I've got this. Now I just have 2 images. Let's see, you just select which images you want. So I got 1 image, 2 image. This is not the same vehicle. I just did this to make things simple. Now you can click submit image, and if you want to do a video, you can also upload a video. You just simply click this video link here. But for now, let's click submit images. Okay, you see images saved, boom. Then the screen changes and you see the 2 images that I input. Now you can also click this to delete and go ahead and submit, and it'll delete it as well. But for now we want to keep these images so I can show you, so let's click submit images. Okay, now you have this. Now I'm going to go to your website. This is the home page, and I'm just going to refresh it. You see how it is here? Now if you click specials in the back end, it's going to add specials here. So I recommend having at least 3 specials. So you got your specials, and it'll keep this rotated. So I have 3 here to come down to here in the specials. So it'll fill in this blank area once you start updating your inventory. Now let's click the vehicle. See, you got the details, description. You can click the images. And there you have it. That's how to update your inventory. You can just simply roll over the cursor and it'll change the images. Got the price, the sale price. This is how it'll appear to your customers. Here's all the details and the description. And this is what your customers will see here. So let's just say that you want to edit it. Just go to listing. So because I did it as a Ford, it only gives you the options that you have. Or you can enter the stock number. Let's just say the stock number is here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Since we only have 2, you can click Ford. Okay, there it is. So let's go back, and I'll just do the stock number just to show you. It'll find it that way as well. And here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this since you don't need this. Let's see. Oops. See, I must have clicked the wrong area here, so just bear with me. So let's just go to Ford and click delete. You want to delete listing? Yes, delete. Okay, now it's deleted. So if you go back to the home page, you'll see it is gone. Now these other fields. So let's just okay, the listing, we know how to do this. Okay, if you want to see the type. Okay, now if you want to add a type, say this is automobile, say you want a truck, an SUV, you can just simply click this, click add new, it updates. It's literally that simple. Custom fields, okay, this is basically the same type thing as the custom field. And so let's just say click that. You can add your own little drop down list. So once you have, say, the type, okay, say you have SUV, right? So let's go to, right now we have automobile, so let's go to custom fields. Once you input it, it'll have, say, SUVs, whatever it is that you input. So right now we're going to select automobile. Just if you want some functions, say cruise control, power steering, you can simply add them here. You just name it. It's a text field. If you want a drop down list, a radio button, whatever it is that you want, and put the values, which is right here. Yes, it has it, no, it doesn't, front wheel drive. You can enter in whatever it is that you want, simply save it. These are already pre-programmed for you, mainly because it's the most common settings for a vehicle. So that is how to update the custom fields. And the inventory reports. You can click inventory reports. Once you get this going and you have a lot, you can select whatever, for used, new, makes, whatever, and then click generate report. It'll simply generate a report. For now, since we have Audi, I'll click that, and it just simply generates a report, price, stock ID, how many people have viewed it, and so forth. So for now, I'm just going to go back. Now we've covered that. Let's do categories. You've got new and used. You probably don't need to do revise this. Most clients do not, because that's really all that there is. But in the event that you want one, you can create it in even subcategories. Say new, and then create many subcategories off that. Again, this is just an added feature. Most of my clients and dealers do not even use this. The new and used is just fine for them. And now let's go into how to do the makes. Right now you see all these makes that are already programmed. This is pretty much most of it, but let's just say that we don't have one. You simply type it in right here. Let's say, Ford, XYZ, for example, and then you click add make, it adds the make. So when you do the drop down, when you input it, that is a new make, and it'll automatically be updated when you add your inventory. Let's just make sure that I didn't miss anything here. That is basically the summary. I went over all the steps of how to update your inventory system. Just remember to resize your photos prior to this, and that should take care of the training part of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.